Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMA. I'm an owner of Google Ads partner company. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as expert. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is, hello, I'm running my client search campaign for its photo booth related service. One of my ad group is eligible, but showing eligible limited. Warning: 1 out of 1 ad is limited by policy. Some of your ads can only serve in certain countries or on certain services due to the nature of the content, and Google says it's about capitalization. I edited all my headlines and rechecked all the spaces. There are no capital letters, no words, etc. I have appealed multiple times, but the issue remains the same. Also, this ad group is getting more conversions. So let me show you, see the image you have attached with me so I can get more data. Okay, this is your ad group, and this is showing eligible. Ad is eligible. Some of your ad can only serve in certain countries or on certain devices due to the nature of the content. Okay, so first of all, you may have to look around. Is the your target country is being affected by this or not? Because sometimes your target country is not affected. But in case if it's affected, then yeah, you need to worry. But in case if it's not affected, then you have just can simply ignore this error. But in case if it's affected, okay, and you have tried everything and you have appealed multiple times and you fail, we are a Google party company and we have a dedicated support manager. Sometimes it's a glitch of the system and we may require a manual review of the Google team to get it sorted. But because you are not a Google partner and you are not connected with an agency like us who can manage the complaints, so I'm going to give you a short hack for this solution. We say that your ads can serve in certain countries or certain service due to the nature of the content, and Google says it's about capitalization, and you edited the headline, rechecked all the spaces, still it's not working, and you have there is no capitalization. You can just simply copy and paste that ad group in a and run an ad with a new headlines over there. This is a simple and easy solution because you said that this ad group is getting you more conversions. Just copy and paste it. In case if you don't know how to copy and paste it, I can show you that as well. For instance, this let me move into another account to show you. For instance, here for instance, this is I just have to select, I have to go to ad group, and even I can even copy paste in the same campaign, and if the issue still arises, you can copy and paste into another campaign as well. So the internet is slightly slow, you guys may have to wait around, and I can show you with my either of the account which opens first, and I'm going to show you with that. Let's say here it's being loaded. I just have to simply uh, select the copy, and then I can select the option of paste, and I do have a choice of pasting over here or in another campaign. If the issue still persists when you paste over here, then I recommend you to create a new campaign and post it over there. You can see that it's now asking me to where do I want to post my campaign. I can post it over here or I can post it in my other channel. So you can see that it's as easy as ABC to get it done. I'm just showing you as an example. The procedure is very easy of copy pasting. Do this and it's gonna solve your issue. So I hope it answers your question and query. So guys, if you are looking for Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or SEO web development services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to get started with us. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Hope it answers your question. Take care and bye bye.